Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Famous AI. EcoSite Design is a service or course or sometime done for your package. It teaches you how to build a high-converting e-commerce websites, typically for Shopify, WooCommerce, or similar platforms. It focuses on design, branding, user experience, and conversation strategies. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, Famous AI focuses on conversion-driven design, teaches layouts, placement, and UX elements. This encourages more sales and lower bounce rates, and provides step-by-step guidance to help beginners understand structure, navigation, and layout hierarchy without needing advanced tech skills. It also offers professional, modern templates designed to make stores look polished, legit, and trustworthy, which can boost customer confidence. On the downside, it is not a full e-commerce business course. Its main strength is design rather than deep marketing, ads, product sourcing, or traffic systems. Some designs can look generic or similar across many user sites unless heavily customized, and their value varies by skill level. Beginners may love it, while experienced designers or marketers may find it basic. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.